Welcome to Delaware Dumpster Rentals, your trusted partner for all your dumpster rental needs in Middletown, Delaware. We are here to serve you whether you're a homeowner tackling a home renovation project, a contractor working on a construction site, or a business owner needing waste management solutions. We offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to suit your specific needs. Whether you need a small dumpster for a weekend cleanout project or a large one for a significant construction job, we've got you covered. Our experienced team promptly delivers and picks up your dumpster, ensuring a hassle-free experience. You can count on us for punctuality and professionalism. At Delaware Dumpster Rentals, we're committed to environmental responsibility. We work closely with local recycling facilities to minimize the impact on our beautiful Delaware surroundings. We're your local experts, dedicated to making your waste disposal a breeze. Don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers in Middletown, Delaware, love our service. Visit us at www.delawaredumpsterrentals.com Dumpster Rental Middletown DE or call 302-463-9000 to rent a dumpster that fits your needs and budget. Choose Delaware Dumpster Rentals in Middletown, Delaware, for dependable dumpster rental services to keep the bank intact.